Well, hello, model car fans. Welcome to the Muscle Car Modeler. My name is Ral, and here it is. It's Christmas Eve, right before it really starts to get crazy. So I've been working on this model for a few hours now, and I got Ryan here with me. Say hi, Ryan.
Hi.
And I promise, I'm only working on one Cobra here, but I'm doing a modification or two, which I've mentioned before, and it kind of snowballs.
Then how come there's like 6 on this table?
Yeah, I'll point out what's going on here. This is the body I am going to use, and it's painted silver, and it's, this is ready to go. And this is an original build of the same car, which, some I pointed out. And basically, this is showing the exhaust that the kit has, and I'm modifying it to run under the car. This is the Baldwin Motion version, where it has exhaust that runs under the car, which I'm using these pipes on this one. And on a previous build, which is right here, I did something completely different because I didn't have anything, and I scratch built this exhaust, so I wanted to see what I did here. So there's many different mods going on here, but we'll set this one aside. So some of them are reference. But in context, why there's so many here is I have purchased a bunch of extra kits. Now, in the box, I've shown my spare body modifications to those that saw my last video. So this is just spare and spare parts. But
what?
Oh, you think that's bad? Now, I also have, this would be considered one of the 8 that I'm building. I have 7 more that I have not opened up or built. And then I have this box, which this came from a friend of mine. Unfortunately, he had passed, Chuck, and I didn't know he had all these, but when they were going through his stuff. So this box is full of extra Cobra parts. Don't worry about it, Ryan.
Okay.
Yeah, it's full of extra Cobra parts. So here's 3 more bodies, and then this body was in there. I'm using that for mock-up. I got 2 more chassis, engines, parts. There's stuff all over here, lots of extra chrome. And the funny part was he really didn't do muscle cars, but as I found out with him, he apparently loved the seats that was in the Cobra kit, so there was almost no seats in here. So anyway, that's where those all came from, is, his estate. So, and, when I dip into this, I kind of think of him. Because he was a good friend. We built different cars, but we were still modelers, and we all enjoy each other's company. So what I'm doing is trying to figure out, here's the chassis I'm using. And I also had to remove the part right here that's on this one to make room for the exhaust. So you see that right there, Ryan? This box?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I removed that from this one. And this one being a mock-up, I did the same thing. I removed it here. And I'm using this to mock up. And this is a mock-up motor, which, I could use because I'm just doing the headers. And I'm trying to find a way to get those to go under. So that's what's going on here, under the chassis instead of through the body. So the mock-up, so you can see what's going on.
Mm-hmm.
So to do this, I'm actually using the kit parts. So here's another set of the kit headers that glue together to form the side exiting exhaust. Okay, so you see that?
Wait, is that 4 or 2?
4 pipes. It's a V8, 4 on each side.
I've only seen cars with only 2 exhaust pipes.
Yeah,
4.
But
2
there's
and 1.
Yeah, because it's a V8. So there's 4, and they come into 4 pipes. And that's how this one is, but I'm changing the angle. So that's what I did here, is I glued them on the motor, and I cut the angles, and then I'm making these. Now to make those, I took, with many of my extra headers, and I cut this section off right here, okay? And on one of them, I needed an extra 90. So unfortunately, I used 3 sets of these exhaust pipes. I know many of you guys out there are not going to have this many extra kits. It's just, this is, your parts bin stashes grow and grow, and you never know what's in them. So here's where I ground the angle, shortened it. There's a 90, or almost a 90, and then another one here. But I had to do that because of this footwell getting in the way. See that, Ryan?
Mm-hmm.
The other side was farther back, and I could do it at a different angle. So that's why it's at that angle. So in mock-up, which is why I've got all these extra parts.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah.
No.
So I put the interior tub in the body. Here's the chassis. And here's the engine. So now we can see how it's all going to fit. So there, get it up to the camera here so you guys can see. And you can see how one side hangs down a little bit, with the hole there. And I'll have the exhaust run under it. The other side, the other side hangs down a little bit more. But that's because of the footwell and everything. I might be able to shave a little bit out of that and make it more snug.
Also, what does that hole mean?
Well, I had to fill that because that's the side pipes.
Oh.
That's where these went.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that's where those went. And then here's the exhaust. Here's this side. See, Ryan?
Yep.
But one small issue. I'll have to make the
Every
mufflers
video
connect.
has an issue.
Oh, there's always this problem solving is what we're doing here. So we're getting all this done. And out of all these parts, all I need are these headers here, and I use these pipes. So we're getting there. We're 90% there. So 90%. But
It looks a little like 10.
yeah. But this is the chassis I'm using. It's an older kit before this King Cobra kit came out. So there's no holes to trim. So see that? There's no holes.
Yeah.
This one is a later one. You can see the holes right there and right there that you drill out for the exhaust pipes to work.
On.
So I'll end up drilling them out later. But this one's made in the USA, Ryan, where this one's made in China. But this just...
the USA was one always better than China.
Well, it is and it's not. It's really the same tool. It's just at the time in the 80s when that kit was issued, 89, 88, they were made in the United States. And then now, or I should say, up until recently, it was cheaper for them to make them in China so they can make more money. And hopefully, save us some money. But that's not how it's working. And they're going to cost us more in the future because they're being made here. But it's better to have the money stay in the country than to go out the country. So that's the flip side of it. You want Americans getting paid for their work instead of, paying a foreign country to do the work for you. It's better for your economy in the long run because more people are participating. Anyway, there's kind of an economics lesson for you. Yeah, I know you're in 3rd grade and they don't just talk about economics yet. But anyway,
Yeah,
so
it's more like a 5th grade thing.
I don't even know if they teach economics anymore, but we'll find out. I'm sure they do.
Tell us in the comments if they do or if they don't, and what grade they do.
And the last mod we're doing here is the wheels. Now, I did shave the back of these so that I made more room for this wheel back to go together, and they do fit inside these tires. So I'm real happy with that. So I just need to paint the wheels now. They'll assemble, they'll look nice, they fit, which is all good. The only thing they don't fit is the axles. So,
Again with the axles.
well, it's these stubs right here. Those stubs stick out.
Wait, stubs?
Yeah, right here. See these stubs right here? And then when you take one of these wheel backs and you snap it in place, you see how the center is poking through? So I'll get to the camera so everybody else can see. That center is poking through, but it's hitting the wheel. So it's hitting that right there. So I got to flatten that.
Which makes it harder to get the wheel on. It would look like a little like this.
Yeah, because these two halves are butted together like
They
that.
look kind of like that.
Yeah, there's just...
Instead of like...
Yeah, there's no room for that pin. It's a little longer.
This.
So I've got to shim it. Yep.
It looks like that instead of this.
and it's all hidden inside the tire. Now, if I do it right, the tires can still rotate, but I don't care if my tires rotate or not because I've had models roll off the shelf.
Yeah, so that's a bad fact about one of my videos that I did.
Well, they're in cases now, most of mine, but still, it has happened. I think this one, whoops, yeah, these ones are glued. Drop my roof. But,
I saw that.
Yeah, but I'm just trying to make them all just a little bit different, even though this one's got the same wheels. But one, one's 3D printed, one's an old resin set from a long time ago. But anyways, that's what's going on here and what's going on with my madness. I'll have to clean these up. But those are the two major mods that I was planning to do to this car. So hopefully this weekend we can clear coat it. We'll see what's happened. But by the time everybody sees this, this is going to be Saturday for you guys. So this Saturday morning video. But it's Christmas Eve to us. So I got that far. I had something to show you guys. So I figured I would share it with you. Share it with Ryan. And that you guys would enjoy this. So hopefully everybody's having a great Christmas and Christmas dinner and all that other stuff. And you guys, you have a wonderful weekend. Thanks for your likes, comments, subscriptions, and everything else. And did I miss anything, Ryan?
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
And please like and subscribe to our channel. That really supports us.
And thank you, guys. See ya.